Buenaventura. All the way from San Jose, the Global City. Ayan. Kumusta naman, Laiko? Dito tayo, please.
Move forward.
Ayan. Confident, di ba? Sino kasama natin?
Wala po sa sangip, but my family is watching live at yan.
Hi,
Batiin mo
Manira.
sila.
Anong po sa
Relax,
kanila?
relax. Kinakabahan si...
Hi,
Okay lang.
hi ka sa family
Tapos na
mo
sa-
who's watching right now.
Hi po ma, from Manila. Nga na, ate nga doon nagkikita. Yan po.
San Jose din. Saan sa San Jose?
Sa Kogon po.
Oh, iba yung si San Jose din, di ba? Magaling talaga mga
si
taga San
Evan.
Jose.
Yeah,
Si Jeff.
Jeff
Ayan.
Aaron Eden is also from San Jose.
Oh.
Kamusta naman? Kinabahan ka ba?
Medyo po.
Medyo kasi
Medyo
halata
lang.
kasi yung bibig ko. Ganun.
Gumagano.
Gumagalaw-galaw. O, tapos
Next time
yung performance natin, okay lang, relax. Okay? Alright.
Bakit pinili mo yung song na yun? Parang pang video.
Hindi,
Actually po.
may hirap yun.
Pag-amateur
Sobrang
yun?
hirap yun. Kantahin.
Talaga?
DJ Liz.
Ay, si
Oo.
ano? Yung
Nahirapan
sikat
ako niyan.
si ano?
Sige,
kumanta
bakit kinanta mo yung
Bakit
song?
yun?
na
Why
ang
did you
song
choose
mo.
that song?
Actually po, parang kung lang po, parang suggestion lang po ng kuwan po ng mama ko.
Ah, si mama pala
Si,
nag-suggest.
anyway, sige. Sinong
Others knows best.
Okay, tama ka dyan.
Let's call
Sige.
on our judge, Dr. Leoncio Olobia. What can you say about the performance of Mr. Laiko?
Parang ang bilis, ano.
Ang bilis.
Okay. You are Julius?
Laiko.
Oh, Laiko, sorry. Laiko
Number
Buenaventura.
6.
Okay. You actually had a very, very powerful beginning, no? The first few words, few melodies. Very solid and very, yung deep masculine voice was really there. The low note, the few seconds, those low notes, I was captured by them. Then, when you were climbing now with the notes, yun, may konting struggle and all this. Pero may mga times na nababawi naman siya, no? But sometimes, when you have already the energy, you have already gathered the energy, you're more sure, you're more definite when you do it the next time. So, ganun, nabawi mo siya, no? So, yun lang, in singing, there's really this consistency that we are looking for, no? However, I still want to ask the question that Mom asked. Why did you choose that song? Because your mom?
Bakit mo
Suggested ng mama.
kinanta yung song na yun na napakahirap?
Actually po, sir, kinakanta ko po siya palagi kapag meron pong mga festa or something sa bahay. At saka, parang nakuha na po na, sige, kantay mo yung, alam kong kaya mo yan, umabot mo yung key. Pero siguro medyo kasi, medyo kinakabahan po.
Kinakabahan
yun
siya,
na,
sir.
oo.
Kinakabahan siya.
Yun na,
First time po, sir.
I think the advice there is when you are kinakabahan sa isang song na yan, hopefully the way you sing will not also be sacrificed, no? Kahit kabahan ka. Kasi sometimes, if you are kinakabahan, all the more, gumaganda yung pagkanta mo. It turns into a motivation, no? So, song choice is very important, no, in singing, you know. Your mother there is a very important factor. You also need to decide for your own how confident you are with the song. So, yun lang, no? The overall performance is also commendable. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Doctor. What about you, Sir
Dr.
Clark?
Alobia? Sir Clark Ravoso?
Hindi, pa ganun na lang, sir.
Choice of peace. Maghanap ka pa ng medyo mas yung sa range mo, sa vocal range mo. Kasi medyo may struggle nga, sabi pa ni Dr. Leoncio. Yung mga high notes, nagfalsetto ka pero hindi na marinig. Mas malakas pa yung accompaniment. Yung pag falsetto, false voice yan eh. That's your natural voice. So you have to make it louder and diaphragm. Lagyan mo ng support. Mag-iba yung tapos gumagamit ka. Sometimes you use nasal voice. Throat and nasal voice. Para mo lang maabot. Kung pwede, diaphragm talaga. Pati yung falsetto mo, ilapit mo yung microphone. Kasi hindi marinig yung mga high notes mo. Kanina, hindi naman, I wasn't to hear that. So, vocalize. More. Practice lang. Practice. Kaya mo yan. May talent ka. Andyan na. Sali lang ng sali. Okay? Just join competitions. Diyan ka gagaling. Okay.
Thank you.
you po, sir.
Thank you, Sir Clark. What about you, Mr. Anjay?
Hello. Ayan, parang nasabi na lahat ni nila, sir. So yun, siguro yung ano lang, add ko lang yung technique, no, pag kinakabahan. Ako, as someone na parang nagpe-perform din, ang technique ko pag kinakabahan ako, yung hingang malalim, may scientific explanation kasi yun eh, na it relaxes your nerves. So, pag breathe in na malalim, tas breathe out, gawin mo lang siya ng paulit-ulit, nakaka-relax yun sa nerves. Or maybe you can push the wall, di ba yung sinasabi nilang push the wall? Kasi it releases your tension. So, gawin mo siya before your performance para ma-relax lahat ng nerves mo, or you can jump, talon-talon ka para, alam mo yun, matanggal, mawala yung mga masasamang espiritu sa ano, sa katawan mo. Oo, magsialisan sila. So, yun. And sabi pa nga nila, yung key, kasi ako aminado naman ako, hindi mataas yung boses ko. Oo, kumpara sa iba, no. Ang ginagawa ko, pwede mo namang i-adjust yung key, or you can find another song na comfortable sa'yo. Hindi ka kakanta ng song dahil lang sinabi ni
Ni mother, ni mama
sino.
na.
Kailangan yung parang more of the decision that you will make, kailangan ikaw yung mas involved doon. I would say 70% of the decision kailangan nang galing sa'yo. Kasi ikaw yung magpe-perform, ikaw yung nakakatimpla kung ano yung mga capabilities mo. Okay? So yun, kailangan doon. Yun yung ano, yung
Alright.
i-take note mo. Okay? So
Thank you so much, Mr. Anjay. Anong masasabi
Alright,
mo?
Laiko?
Oo.
Siguro po, kasi medyo kinabahan kanina at saka first time ko palang sumali sa mga ganitong contest po, competition. And soon, in the future, kapag sumali ako ng contest, siguro marami na po akong matutunan at may babaon para sa next ko po na salang po sa
Alright,
contest.
ayan.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you so much,
Thank you,
Mr.
Mr.
Laiko
Laiko
Benaventura
Benaventura.
of San Jose Global City.